Let's make a very easy and quick French toast recipe. So I'm going to start off by cracking 2 eggs in my bowl. Whisk the eggs. And then I'm going to add in sugar. Add in milk. It is orange season, so I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of orange zest. The zest of the orange is going to add a very nice and flavorful orange taste to my French toast. Make sure you get the orange part, not the white part. Once done, I'm going to mix in my orange zest, and as you can see, I have a very nice orange hue from the orange zest. And lastly, add in some cinnamon. Then I'm going to move over to my stove top. Add in some oil. Spread the oil in the pan. You can use butter if you have some. Once done, I'm going to pick my bread, dunk the bread in the mixture, and then place my bread in a pan.